One of its standout features of LinknLink eMotion Ultra is multi-zone positioning. With the LinknLink application, you can define up to 4 customizable zones, like sofa, desk, bed, dining table, and create personalized automation rules for each. The sensor can detect and track up to 4 individuals simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for family households or shared spaces, all while keeping data private and local. The LinknLink eMotion Ultra is more than just a presence sensor. It's a smart home command center. With its precise wave radar detection, rich environmental sensing, and powerful integration capabilities, it outclasses traditional sensors and even replaces multiple standalone devices. For homeowners, smart home enthusiasts, and professionals looking to create intelligent, responsive environments, the eMotion Ultra is an indispensable addition.